Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. Well, we thought it was summer and suddenly the temperatures are just in the upper 40s. But I've been out doing a little adventuring. I'm going to take a little side trip and show you something. I'm going to turn in here on the Patterson Grove Road. There used to be a church here. You see what remains of the cemetery associated, but I'm going to turn in here to the left. Isn't that tree beautiful? Ramseur Lake Road, which forms a little loop. You need your used refurbished lawnmower equipment right there. I'm not promoting anything. I'm not forsythia. Trees are just breaking their leaf buds. And remember, Ramseur Lake Road is a little loop, a U, so to speak. That was a Randleman police car. Or was that Randolph Sheriff? I didn't quite catch it. So I just thought I would stop in here for a moment and show you Ramseur Lake. Here's the dam. This is for those of you that have never seen it before. This is the dam. There's a part of the park is on the other side too. That's what that pavilion is. Now, this was created from Sandy Creek. Now, there's the other video where I visited the other side of 64, and I told you we were looking at Sandy Creek just before it joins the Deep River. This is where Sandy Creek originated, way up past they dammed it, and like the Deep River, and maybe for the same geologic reason, it was deep enough that if you let some of the water stay behind the dam, you can build a lake so that you have a water supply, and you can also use it for recreation. But I don't see anybody out fishing. But it's March, and traditionally they open the lake around March 1st. And you can see we have a U.S. flag and a North Carolina state flag. I'm not going over there. And you can go fishing on the fishing pier, or you can launch a boat. You're only allowed to use electric motors now. No more gas-powered engines on any kind of boat. And in the summer, it's incredible. You actually get some shade under the beautiful trees. So I just thought I would stop and show you the last of winter view of Ramseur Lake, which used to be Sandy Creek and is still Sandy Creek on this side of the dam, headed down to and joining the Deep River not far from here, on the other side of 64, US 64. Steve AB4L, just happy to be alive and smiling, saying see you at 73.